Hello, Anon. My name is Alan Bavosa. I'm a VP of Products at Appdome. I prepared a demo for you here. I'm going to secure the CB Insights mobile app using Appdome's no-code devsecops build system. Basically, I'm going to implement a bunch of mobile app security features into your app in about 2 minutes. And, the technology that we have invented here is truly a new way of building security into mobile applications without any coding at all. So before I get started, I want to say that I'm a huge fan of CB Insights. Kudos to you for the great company that you built. I've been following you guys literally since the beginning. I've been a subscriber. I read your newsletter almost every day. I love the vocab that you guys use and the hip hop references and all that good stuff. So kudos to you guys for an innovative approach and way of speaking to the market. I think it really resonates. So without further ado, let's go ahead and secure your mobile app. So I'm going to go ahead and you're looking at AppDome here. I'm logged into the AppDome system. Again, AppDome is a no-code DevSecOps build system for mobile apps that enables anyone to implement a full suite of mobile app security, anti-fraud, and anti-malware protections into any mobile app, no matter how the app is built. So it works with any app built in any framework and does not require any coding whatsoever. So it's really intended to make developers' lives easier when it comes to adding security into mobile apps. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and implement security into the CB Insights app. So first, I'm going to encrypt the data. I'm going to implement data at rest encryption. I'm going to implement jailbreak prevention. I'm going to add man in the middle, attack prevention, your malicious proxy detection and prevention. It prevents the certificates from being forged or hacked. So essentially, this is data in transit protection. I'll also implement copy-paste protection, which can be useful in protecting crypto apps and e-wallets from theft. I'm also going to implement code obfuscation, which will protect the source code of the app. When I'm ready to go, I simply click Build My App, and the AppDome system is going to implement all of those security features, about 15 or 20 features that I selected there. It's going to implement all those features in about less than a minute into the CB Insights app without any coding. So with that said, I just secured your app. That's it. That's about 15 or 25 protections that have been built into your app. I hope that this is enough to get you interested in AppDome. My ask from you, simply want to meet with your analysts in mobile security and tell them all the great things that AppDome is doing. Again, I filled out a 13-page survey with all of the information about AppDome. Yeah, that's it, man. And with that said, I love you. Okay, bye.